love.
My name is Oreo Jones, and I am the founder of Chreece Hip Hop Festival here in Indianapolis, Indiana. The festival started in 2015, so this is the third running of it. Fountain Square just had this synergy kind of flow to it. It was easy accessible to people, and I wanted to bring hip hop culture to the city, all together one day.
My name is Jay Brookins, and next year I'll be taking the helm with my brother Sirius Black for the festival from OJ. We're gonna be taking over and hopefully doing something nice with it.
It's my time, you gotta love me now. People up in trouble, people over here. My people up in trouble.
It's 3. You know what it is, baby. Indianapolis, Indiana. We out here.
Indianapolis has a very distinct style.
I ain't tripping out designer brands. All of these women designer pants. Y'all trying to say how to run my brand. So there's some shit that I can stand.
There's just a whole bunch of different flavors from all over the place. You have the trap rappers, backpackers like the Golden Age, like True School, avant-garde like weirdo rap, the art rappers. It's just like kind of all over the place.
It's like a gumbo, man. We take a little bit from Detroit, we take a little bit from Chicago, we take a little bit from West Coast, Atlanta, East Coast. You know what I'm saying? They're all kind of melted, like a melting pot here in the Middle West. But now it's starting to kind of grow into its own thing.
With everything, when you do stuff over time, it's really important to have different heads wrapped around it, whether you're, building a project or, creating an organization. It's always good, I think, to have a new mindset when you approach every year. And I think it's cool. It'll add, different energy and different focus.
Come to Chreece. For the love of God, I don't care where you're from, come down there, you're gonna have a good time. I guarantee you, if you don't have a good time, you could find me, I'll give you your money back, I don't care. Like, I feel that strongly about it.